The wait is almost over. DJI is gearing up to launch its next-generation consumer drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and the leaks are coming in hot. Following the release of the DJI Mic 3 and the upcoming Osmo Nano action camera, all eyes are now on DJI's most anticipated drone of 2025. Major upgrade, 1-inch camera. Sensor, according to early reports, the Mini 5 Pro will feature a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. The headline feature? A new 1-inch type camera sensor, promising dramatically improved image quality, better low-light performance, and more cinematic footage for creators and hobbyists alike. This positions the Mini 5 Pro as more than just a lightweight drone. It's shaping up to be a serious aerial photography tool. Leaked pricing and accessories, renowned leaker Jasper Ellens has revealed detailed pricing for the Mini 5 Pro and its accessories. Product price: Mini 5 Pro, Fly More Combo, RC2, €1,129, pound 979 intelligent flight battery, plus $99. 00 intelligent flight battery $69, 00 ND filter set. ND 8/32/128, $55. 00 propellers $19, 00 quick release propeller guard $69, 00 two-way charging hub $49, 00 DJI Care refresh 1 year $80, 00 DJI Care refresh 2 years $129, 00. In the UK, the base model is expected to start at £689, while in the Eurozone, it will retail for €799, matching the launch price of the Mini 4 Pro. The Fly More combo includes the RC2 controller and 3 intelligent flight batteries, offering extended flight time and convenience for serious users. Global launch date confirmed according to Bilbil_Kun. DJI plans to launch the Mini 5 Pro globally on September 16, 2025. Just days earlier, on September 10th, DJI is expected to unveil the Osmo Nano, a compact action camera aimed at vloggers and mobile creators. This dual launch strategy shows DJI's commitment to dominating both the drone and action cam markets heading into the holiday season. What to expect from the Mini 5 Pro 1-inch camera sensor for pro-level imaging: lightweight, foldable design for portability, advanced obstacle avoidance and flight stability, extended battery options for longer flights, competitive pricing with premium features. With these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro could become the go-to drone for content creators, travel vloggers, and aerial photographers who want high-end performance without the bulk of larger models.